Ladies, gentlemen, the Bounty protein shake, my favorite. I was the Bounty kid. I love coconut and I really enjoy chocolate. So let's do the Bounty protein shake.
All right.
Alex, you're going to be my assistant. About 250 mils.
Okay.
Not about, exactly, 250 mils. So this is the low carb option. Low carb option, you get about 12 grams of carbohydrates in 250 mils of coconut water, but you get a lot of electrolytes as well. So this is the Bounty portion of this shake. So this is a post-workout, high protein, low carb shake. 12 grams of carbs. Hydro Pro WPI, the fastest digesting protein on the planet in supplement form, apart from free-form amino acids, is Hydro Pro, hydrolyzed WPI. Very fast digesting, ideal post-workout. Very high protein, fast digesting, very high leucine content. This protein stimulates muscle protein synthesis, thereby...
Just a one scoop?
Just a one rounded, give us a big rounded scoop. Don't be shy, my friend. We don't be shy. Not in this kitchen.
Put a bit of a top.
We're not shy in this kitchen.
We've got a big one in there, why not?
Get it. Let's be generous for the good people. Very fast digesting protein, very high protein, very low carb. Like I said, stimulates muscle protein synthesis or muscle recovery very quickly and a lot more efficiently than other forms of protein. That's really the Bounty shake. But Alex, let's give the good people the secret. The secret.
A good shake.
To a delicious, yeah, well, there's that.
Shaken, not stirred.
Yeah. that could be the secret, but not today. That's not our secret. That was James Bond's secret. He blew that.
This is true.
This is the secret to a great shake, believe me. You ready?
Go on.
You ready?
Go on.
Get some ice in there, brother. Some ice for a great shake every time.
Get the texture.
Really.
Generous handfuls.
There we go.
Generous.
There we go.
We'll go one more. There we go.
All right. Now let's bang that on the NutriBullet, the magic bullet.
Are we putting any coconut in there?
No, well, you can if you like. You can spark it up with some coconut if you like.
I was going to say, I guess that would just add to it if you wanted to. You're really into the Bounty flavor.
If you're the gourmet protein chef, you get it in. 30 seconds in the magic bullet. Get a load of this for a post-workout shake. This is high protein. This is low carb, about 12 grams of carbs, and we're getting close to 40 grams of high quality, fast digesting protein. Stimulates muscle protein synthesis, improves muscle recovery. I'm telling you, dude, this is the stuff. You're gonna love this. This is the high protein or the Bounty protein. Okay.
All right.
That's it. Cheers, my friend.
Cheers to the gains.
I'm telling you, is that the best high protein shake you've had?
That's nice.
It's pretty close, isn't it?
I like it.
There you have it, guys. The high protein Bounty protein shake from Nick and Alex in the kitchen. Enjoy.
Cheers.